All right, everybody, we are back in our Diamond and Gemstone section of the booth, and we're talking about gemstones this time. This is Sam, our gemstone director, and she's going to tell us a little bit about what we're displaying here at JCK.
So right here, we are displaying our Stuller Gemstones collection. And this includes our black box goods and some of the new goods that we're really excited to show off. And some of those things that we're really excited about are the new Spinel collection. So we have really beautiful orangey pinks, we have natural blues, we have grays, and it's such a great stone because it's so lively and poppy. So it really attracts you in, and it kind of keeps your attention, which a lot of times, with a gemstone, that's what you really want. You want to be able to show it off and make it really beautiful. So happy to show you that stone if you'd like to see it. And the other really great stones that we have in here are really amazing moonstones that we have from Africa and Burma. Blue sheen moonstone. We have apatite that we're featuring. It's really beautiful. And then garnets of almost every color of the rainbow, which is really exciting.
That's awesome. All right, y'all, you heard it. These gemstones right here, they're pretty much on the aisle of our booth. So come by and see it, Michigan Avenue and Broadway at the corner. Come on and check it out.